Hey, what's up, guys? I just left work and I'm heading on my camping trip. One night solo kayak camping trip to Lake James State Park. So y'all kick back. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's go.
All the others must be wrong, but now we can decide. And every
So yes, I do have a blue tote, and it's got all my food, some firewood, gear, stuff like that. The black box has all the survival stuff that I need, cooking, knives, anything like that. I do have a small cooler, life jacket. So let's start paddling. So, I just got to the campsite, and after looking around, there's not a stick of dry firewood anywhere. Everything's been cleared out. No fallen trees. So, I'm gonna have to get the kayak unloaded quickly, maybe paddle to another island, do some scavenging around, find some firewood that I can load onto the kayak and bring back over here. So, let's get to it. Alright, so there's no firewood. leave my phone charging. Jump in the kayak, get my axe, my saw, my little axe. But go over here to this side. And I gotta hurry because it's pushing dark really quick. And hopefully find something in this little island over here. So this little sandy area. Now here about find some firewood that I can bust up with my axe. Yeah. See, maybe some deadwood stuff right here. Get it up over here and burn it. Yeah, stuff. Old driftwood. Not a lot of driftwood out here. There's a lot of debris and trash. A lot of people littered, made a mess, not cleaned it up. I'll watch out for copperheads today. What I'm gonna do, get around. Cleaning up, get some of this right here. Put a bunch on my kayak, across, get a fire going. Stuff will burn a while, I don't know. Somebody tried to burn some of it, and they hadn't done too good a job. Might make a couple trips. Come over here and get firewood, and then come back in a little while and get firewood. I see a path. I don't know where it goes to habitat. So, I'm not sure I can remove anything from here without getting in trouble. Definitely have some old limbs, some dry stuff. It'll burn. I hate to come over here in the dark. Might have to get more of this. I've got my firewood, and I'm gonna start getting it set up, get the fire going. It'll be dark soon. I want to make sure I got everything ready before dark hits. I'm gonna have to get some lights up. So it's hot. I'm sweating. I don't really need a big roaring fire. I just want to get something going for the lights. Warm me about. It's hard to see what I'm grabbing, if it's a stick or a snake. So. Paddle over to an island. I wish I'd have got here about an hour earlier. I could have got some better firewood. Bit of wood. I'm just sitting out, chilling by the fire. Got everything kind of squared away behind me. And put up. I haven't got to post a whole lot. It's been windy and rainy, and I had to get supper cooked, had to get fire. The hardest thing has been able to get firewood going. So I found a lot of dead wood laying around, driftwood. And that stuff does not burn. You got to cut it, split it open, try and get it to where the sap will burn. If you can get it to where the sap will burn, it'll burn like this. But other than that, it's like pulling teeth. So yeah, once I get into bed, I'll turn the camera back on for a little bit, do a little video from there. We'll see you guys in the morning. Later. Alright, good morning. It's Saturday morning, a little after 5 o'clock. I slept good through the night. Had to get up to relieve myself, but the rain's kind of stopped for a little while. It has rained about all night. A little bit here and there. Everything around the campsite is soaked. So I have got my trusty little gasifier that I built, got it out, and had some dry wood in my box that I carry. And so I got a fire going in it, got me some water in a pot, set it on here, and give me some coffee going. That's going to be hot. Let's turn that lid this way. This way. There. Now. So yeah, I'm going to get some coffee going. Wait for daylight to show up. Maybe get a little breakfast. And go ahead and put a rod in the water, see what happens. I think the rain's going to come about 9 or 10 o'clock, so I need to be ready to roll out. If it does start, I got a 45-minute to an hour paddle back and then get everything loaded up, so I don't want to put myself in a rush. Time to make a little coffee. Just use little Folgers packs. singles. Now, boil me up some water this morning. Cups. And then this is the secret. I put my coffee creamer inside a flask. Have my coffee creamer. Oh yeah, that is the spot. That does hit the spot. Alright, so now I have the dilemma of, do I want to tear down and go back early and avoid getting in a rainstorm, or do I want to hang out, let the sun come up, see if I can fish a little bit. So as you can see behind me, it's a beautiful morning out here. Show you a little bit in the daylight. Trash bag hanging up. So I could clean up camp a little bit. So I'm going to start breaking down camp. I'll do a little filming as I'm doing it. I've also got to go on Facebook and do a little post. And come back in a little while. Get it over here. It's nuts. So I'll make sure I have everything going back. So the little pot stand that I made, I really need to make another one and put more holes. Also, the soup can that I did, I got to figure out another way to get more ventilation. It does great for making charcoal, but after a while it doesn't burn. So it all fits down inside of that. And then this goes in a bag to keep it all, just keep it together mainly. Now, so I know this stuff and my canopy goes up in the front of boat, so I've already got the canopy in there. This stuff goes up in the front, and as well as my collapsible bucket. Maybe some other stuff, I can't remember. Be right back. So I'm leaving the campsite, Lake James State Park. Now I'm paddling back to Mimosa.